Hello friend, welcome you on Lamror Academy. I am Rajendra Lamror. I am telling about the pointer in C programming. How to define the pointer in C programming and how to use this pointer in your program. Okay, many of the languages are do not using pointer. What is the disadvantage of pointer? Because the other language are not using, but C are using. Pointer is a variable. We can access the address of the another variable. The direct address of the memory locations. This is called a pointer. Means where your value is stored in the memory, this address will be showing by the pointer. Like in any variable or constant must be declared the pointer before you can use or store in the any variable at address. So must be defined as a advantage or disadvantage. A pointer we can use to perform the easy task, okay, or is dynamically memory allocation. Without pointer we cannot use the dynamic memory allocations because we know the address of the variable, then we can assign the dynamically allocate for one place to another place. This is the advantage of. But if pointer is less secure because if someone is know your address of the variable, then they can access your data or they maybe change the some data in your respective address location. So your if you someone hack your address, this is your be difficult. So this because the one disadvantage of pointer is less secure. How to define the pointer in C programming? So simply you define the type, which type of pointer, if you integer type or character type or variable of name. See, if here are printing the I defining the pointer name is integer type or variable name is IP, means int star IP I define the pointer. Okay, अब is the null pointer. If always the point good practice to null pointer, the pointer do not have any value right now, means the null pointer. If you do not define the null pointer, then compiler will assign the random any value. Maybe you will get the different result or wrong result. So better you define the pointer as a null pointer initially when you initialize the pointer, or this process you defining or assigning the null value the pointer is called as a null pointer. Or now I am showing the one example how is the pointer is working in your programming. Final stage you must be write the program. So here I am defining the header file include stdio.h, okay, or defining the main.h. So here I have taken the variable int var1, int character of array of var2, and int ptr of value null pointer. Okay, pointer defining null. So if I am printing the value of pointer is null, means printing the value of 0, %x. Okay, I am using here %x because %x providing you address, %u is also provided. Better you use the %u, x for hexadecimal, or %u will provide you only integer value or positive integer value because we have address. So address always showing you the positive values. So here you taken the variable 1, variable 2. Now if you are running this program, you can find the variable a is defining, where is variable 10 is defining, or what is the value of this one. So you can see the value of ptr equal to 0 because we define a null pointer, or this one we have some address locations 8750 okay. If I want to defining the value of a equal to 10, okay, if I defining the variable a equal to 10, or if I want to show the data what is inside the variable a at that location of address, then you can see this one is providing showing you value of variable a. Okay, if Nitra running this program, then it is showing you three different output. First is the value of ptr equal to 0 because you defining the null. Second is the variable 1 address is 8570. At that address, emerson of that address star means value. That address what is the value have in this location. So this is showing you 10, means in the variable 1 at the address of var1 value is 10. This is defining. If you do not print another way, I have told you this is defining you null as a null pointer. If you do not providing this null value, then what will happen? You can see here. Compiler has provided you randomize any value, the pointer at 650. So this is the maybe you get a wrong output, so better you defining as a null. Okay, thank you friends, I hope you understand what is a pointer and how to define the pointer and use of the pointer. If you have still any doubt, comment below, we'll try to reply as soon. Thank you friends.